Okay, guys, I just want to explain what I'm doing. As you can see, that's a maxi pad, and it's a rather large one. I think it's for sure it's made by a company called Pose, and it's a overnight pad. So what I'm doing now is pointing out that you should be cutting a small slit in the side of the maxi pad. As you can see, just a small slit. And I want you to do it the same way on the other side of the pad. So there I am showing you again how that's done. It's really easy. I remember when I came up with this, I was standing in the middle of Target and I couldn't find any face mask. So I came up with this. I got the pads, and then I went in to get rubber bands as well, because I'm thinking, like, how am I going to put this thing, how am I going to keep it on? How am I going to keep it steady on my face? So I went and got rubber bands. And one thing you want to do with rubber bands is you want to make sure that you're using the same size rubber bands, the same size rubber bands. So you just want to slide the rubber band through and just kind of interlock it like so. So now I'm going to show you how to put it around your face and lock it around the ear. Now that looks really crazy, okay? So I don't recommend that look. But if you are so bold to do that and you just don't care, go right ahead, because I understand. I'm not going to judge you. Instead, what I like to do is take a piece of cloth or material and put it around the pad to make it just look like a scarf. And the good thing about this is when you come from the outside, you can easily take that scarf off and wash it with soap and water, and to make sure that you are sanitized. So thanks guys for viewing this video. I hope I helped someone with this video, just to answer the question of the whole face mask situation, just an at-home do-it-yourself face mask solution. Okay, so stay safe and don't worry so much. Just take care of yourself and be very mindful of the current times and situations that we're in. Me, myself, my personal goal is just to step my sanitation game up and protect myself when I go outside as well as when I come into my home. So peace and bye.